Hey there, in today's tutorial, we'll solve a fun but common programming challenge, finding a missing number in a sequence. Now, our array will contain consecutive numbers, but one will be missing. We'll write a JavaScript program to identify it quickly. This is a perfect example for learning array iteration, search methods, and conditional checks. Let's get started. Our task is simple but tricky. We have an array of consecutive integers starting from 1, but with one number missing. We need to figure out which number is gone. For example, in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, the missing number is 4, and in 2, 3, 4, 5, the missing number is 1. Let's see how we can code this. This function find missing loops from 1 up to num's length plus 1. Because our sequence is supposed to have exactly one extra number compared to the given length, we use index of to check if the number exists in the array. If not, we return it immediately as the missing number. We loop through the expected range of numbers. If a number isn't found in the array, that's our missing one. We then return it, stopping the loop immediately. No extra work needed. Here's how it works with some examples. In the first case, the sequence skips 4, so the program finds it. And in the second, the sequence should start at 1, so 1 is the missing number. Finding missing numbers is useful in real life too, like detecting gaps in data entries, missing product serials, or in algorithmic debugging. It is also a common technical interview question because it checks your iteration and array handling skills. We've solved the missing number problem using a clean and simple loop combined with index of. It is efficient, readable, and works for any size array. This approach is also a solid foundation for tackling more complex sequence problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.